Hello there, for today's video, I will teach you how to convert PDF file to PowerPoint. I have here a sample file created in my Canva account, and I want to download this file in PowerPoint format. However, there is no option to download this files as PowerPoint in Canva. So, just download this as PDF. I have already downloaded this file, so no need for me to download it again. To start converting your PDF file to PowerPoint, just search Adobe PDF to PPT converter on your browser. Then select the first one. Click on Sign In on the top right corner. If you do not have an account, you need to create your account first using your email. If your Google or Facebook account are already signed in, you can just log in using either of your account. In my case, I will just sign in using my Facebook account. As you can see here, I am now signed in, and this is a free account. No need to buy, we can still use the free version to convert our files. Now, we see many tools to convert files into different formats. Just click on All Tools and find PDF to PPT Converter below. Click on Select File and attach your file from where you saved or downloaded it. Then, wait for some time and click on Export. Wait for it while your file is being converted. Finally, our converted file is ready for download. So, let's download it and check the final result. Our file is now converted successfully. If this video helped you, consider subscribing for more videos like this.